Hello, dear students. Today, your first topic will be symmetry. Symmetry you have already done in your class 6th. What is symmetry? If a shape can be folded in half so that one half fits exactly on top of the other, then we say the shape has got a line of symmetry. मीन्स व्हेन यू फोल्ड द एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, अगर वो बिल्कुल उसको पूरा ओवरलैप करे जिसमें से कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा ना हो, देन वी से इट इज़ अ सिमेट्रिकल ऑब्जेक्ट. And the line where you are folding the line in which it is dividing into two equal parts, that is called a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. Now in the real life, you can see the very famous monuments which are made. Those are also symmetrical. Another that is a natural example, and besides butterfly you can see flower, leaves, even our own face is also a symmetrical. Now, first example of beetle, that is a vertical line of symmetry, and second, which is you can see over there, horizontal line of symmetry. In the various geometrical figures also it is drawn over there, which shows the various lines of symmetry in the different figures. You can also see over there symmetry of the English alphabets, like A has a vertical, B, C, D, E has a horizontal, F and G, F, G, J, K, L, N, P, Q, R, S and Z, they do not have any line of symmetry, in which H, I, O, X are the four alphabets which has two lines of symmetry, horizontal and verticals. All these topics, since you have covered in your class 6th, you will be knowing it very well. Your first exercise related to this is related with the reflection symmetry, what I have done in this, covered in this PPT. In the next video I will be covering the rotational symmetry, which will be new concept for you all. It is very much necessary to know the line of symmetry first, because rotational symmetry depends upon it. So in next will be the video which I will be sharing it with you, which in which I will be explaining you the rotational symmetry.